Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do this everyday sort of bronzy golden glowy look. I've been loving the glow lately, so I just wanted to show you guys a little something different. Not too complicated, it's a pretty easy look. So if you guys want to see how to get this glow, keep on watching. So to start off this glowy look, I'm going to be using Elsie's The Glow Enhancer Dry Face Oil. Okay, now for my foundation, I'm going to be using Frankie Rose Cosmetics Matte Perfection Foundation in the shade Gold. And I'm going to mix it with Becca's Shimmering Skin Perfector in Moonstone. So I'm just going to pump a couple pumps of that foundation on my hand and then one pump of the Becca. And I'm going to be using a flat concealer brush to mix this up and put this on my face. And this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills A2 brush. And this foundation is going to be a little bit light for my face, but I'm going to be going in with something else to darken it up, so don't worry just yet. So now I'm going to do a cream contour, and I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit. And I'm going to be mixing these last two dark shades. That is Light Sculpt and Havana. I'm going to be using that same flat concealer brush and just going in and grabbing a bit of each. And then I'm going to blend this in using this Anastasia Beverly Hills A30 brush. I'm also going to go down the sides of my nose with this. And same brush, we're just going to blend that in. I'm going to go back down the center of my nose with my foundation sponge, just to make sure not too much brown got in there. Now for my concealer, I'm going to go in with Tarte Shape Tape in medium. And I'm going to be setting it with this Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder in Pound Cake. As you guys know, I always like to get my brush ready, so when I blend out my concealer, there is no time for creasing. I'm going to lightly set my entire face with that powder, but I'm not going to pack it in because I don't want it to be extremely matte. So quickly I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I want them to be pretty natural, so I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in dark brown. To clean up my brows, I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Beige Stick Foundation on that same flat concealer brush. So now to warm up my face even more, I'm going to be using Huda Beauty's 3D Highlight Palette, the Bronze Sands Edition. And I'm going to go in with Aruba. I'm going to be using this Morphe Rose Gold Edition brush. I don't know the name of it. I always look for it. And because this has like shimmer in it, it'll stick to our glowing theme. A little bit on the sides of the nose. So next for blush, I'm going to be going in with Benefit Cosmetics Gold Rush. It's a very light blush, but it's got like a highlighter effect, so I kind of love it. So before I do my face highlight, I'm going to go in and do my eyes, and I'm going to be using Smashbox Cover Shot Major Metals eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to be going in with Ignited first. I'm just going to get that on my finger and apply that. So to blend out the edges, I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills A6 blending brush. And right in the center of my lid, I'm going to be going in with Out of This World, again on my finger. I want to make sure that these colors all blend together and there are no lines, making it look a little stupid. I'm going to go in with a bit of that bright gold, right on the inner lash line and Ignited on the outer. Now for my inner corner highlight and my eyebrow, I'm going to be using Chandelier. And I'm going to be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills A14 brush to apply that. And just blend Chandelier into Ignited. I'm going to pop a bit of Social Currency into my brow bone as well, just to give it a bit of a more deep golden tone. I'm going to do the same mixture for my inner corner. So now for my highlight on my face, I'm going to be going in with Too Faced's Lovelight in You Light Up My Life. It's kind of broken right now, so I'm going to try and like peep it to you. So to apply this, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 brush. And for my nose, I'm going to be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills A25 brush. So for my eyelashes, I'm going to go in with some mascara, and I'm going to be using Big Tease by Buxom. Before we finish, I'm going to go in with some Barbados and just get some of that on my collarbone. So lastly, for lips, I'm going to keep this lip pretty natural. I'm just going to be using this Skinn Cosmetics Lip Amplifying Serum, which is like a lip gloss. So I'm just going to make my lips shiny. And this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like this everyday glowy look for the summer. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them below and I will get back to you. And I'll see you guys in my next video.